6. Weather. Seasons. Weather vocabulary list.
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, stormy, snowy, windy, foggy, humid, dry, hot, warm, cold, chilly, freezing, wet, mild, cool, thunderstorm, drizzle, shower, monsoon season, dry season, wet season.
In my country, the monsoon season is from September to November. It's very rainy and wet. In my country, winter lasts from December to February. It's cold and snowy. We often have thunderstorms in March or April in my country. It's stormy and windy. The dry season lasts from May until October in my country. It's hot and sunny. My favorite season is summer. I really like the summer because it's always hot and sunny. You can do lots of sports, or you can sunbathe and relax with friends. The hot weather always makes me feel happy and cheerful. I think everybody likes the hot weather. A monsoon means lots of rainy weather. In my country, this season lasts for about 3 or 4 months. It's boring and you can't do anything outside. It's humid and I don't like it. I prefer the dry weather because I like being outside. In my country, it's very cold in winter. There's lots of snow and you can go skiing or visit the mountains. This is my favorite season. It lasts from November to February. It's different from summer because summer lasts for about 6 months. It's really hot and dry, and there are thunderstorms at night.
Describe your favorite type of weather. You should say what the type of weather is, how often you experience this type of weather, what you like doing in this weather, and explain why it is your favorite type of weather.
My favorite type of weather is sunny weather. I really like it when the sun is shining and the sky is clear. In my country, we usually have this weather in the summer. It lasts for many months, maybe from May to September. So I experience it very often. In this weather, I like to go outside with my friends. We can play football, ride bicycles, or just sit in the park. Sometimes I go swimming because it is very hot. I like sunny weather because it makes me feel happy. When it is sunny, I feel more active, and I can do many things outside. That is why sunny weather is my favorite type of weather.